Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am back with another 4 winter outfits styling video. It was my first day back to like normalcy, reality. Arlo went to school today for the first time and I was like, yes, I can have my routine back. And it went really well. I woke up early. The morning transition after being out of school for almost a month. He was out of school, like 3.5 weeks. Yeah, so it went smooth. So I'm really happy to just be able to chat and not be interrupted and all the things, and just be able to work my normal routine for one day, or not one day, hopefully longer than that. But we'll chat about all the things that are going to potentially happen while we get ready. Let's start with look number 1. I have been wanting to wear this maroon sweater since I got it from my commence order, and I have yet to style it. So I thought doing it with dark jeans will be so cute. So let's pop these on. These are from H&M, and H&M has some really good stuff right now. Like I have a cart full of stuff. It's hard to not pull the trigger on, but they have some cute flats too that I'm like really debating on getting. Anyway, Dallas is projected on starting Wednesday night to get anywhere from 5 to 8 inches of snow, which I know does not sound like a lot, but for a city that doesn't have snow plows or doesn't build homes to protect that, or is on its own power grid, it's a complete shit show. Like, it is madness. I remember my first year here and I was like, this is dumb. Like, why are people freaking out? And then it happened to us. And I realized it's not like they're freaking out because of snow. They're freaking out because we don't have the ability to properly take care of the snow, which is a huge issue. So yes, I'm from upstate New York. Yes, I know snow. Yes, 4 or 5 inches is no big deal. But well, like I said, you don't have ice, you don't have salt, and we get really bad ice here, then it can lead to lots of different problems. But I have a feeling Arlo's school will be closed on Thursday, so we're trying to just prep ahead enough so that I can be home with him again on Thursday, because, you know, the last 3 weeks wasn't enough, but such is life. Okay, I'm gonna wear my little cowboy boots because I'm gonna do my like dark brown belts, and I thought these would look cute with it. We're gonna put these under. These pants look so good with these because the pants are just like a wide leg and it's easy. But anyway, ooh, cute. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with, waiting for that to happen. I luckily went grocery shopping yesterday. We went to Costco, but this morning when I went to go take Arlo to school, my car battery was dead, so I had to take Scott's, which thankfully he didn't leave already, because if he had left, we wouldn't have been able to go to school today either, which would have just made my day so lovely. I tell you, so lovely. But we would have made it work. But anyway, I need to get that fixed, which it might still be under warranty because I don't remember the last time I changed my battery. I've also never changed my tires, and I've had my car since 2015, 9 years. No, I've had my car since 2017, and I've yet to change my tires. So that's still, what, 8 years? That's insane. I have like maybe 40,000 miles on it. But anyway, this belt with these shoes, perfection. I'm gonna try to not be so chatty, but you guys, I'm just chatty. I am going to bring my vlog channel back. I swear. Just, I need to find my routine again. But this morning, I made another loaf of sourdough. I've been really on my sourdough, but I made a like pizza one with like mozzarella and I forgot what other cheeses. It was like a mix of cheese, provolone, I'm not sure, and pepperoni and pickled jalapenos. So good. But I say that because I did film it for my vlog channel. Oh, you can't really see the white tee under here, so we're gonna have to pull it up a little bit higher. All of my little Hanes tees are needing to be re-dried, if you know what I mean. Like, they sat in the dryer for too long, so they need like a steam dry. But I'm waiting for other clothes to finish before I do that. So that's why we're wearing a different one today. cute. I love this deep maroon color. It's perfect. I've never liked this sort of color before, but it is everything now for me. Let's give it a good tuck. I picked up this, I want to say in like a large, so it's very oversized, but that's how I like my sweaters. So cute. I like this. Oh, also, you guys can be brutally honest with me, which I'm sure y'all will be, but I picked up the little Miu Miu glasses dupes. Oh, these are so filthy. And yeah, they're kind of ugly, but they're also really cute. What do we think? Aren't they kind of cute? Are they kind of not? I kind of love them. But this was look number one. Very wintry, very cozy. This is good. Now I wish I wore this for the rest of the day. But I think the glasses are kind of cute, are they not? I don't know. I love them. Okay, let's move on to look number two. Okay, so for look number two, I actually was thinking about this outfit before I was going to bed last night. So we'll see how it looks in reality, but I've been trying to just find more ways to wear my little Blundstone boots. So I was thinking, I never wear these little like cargo chinos that I have from Target. I thought that would actually look cute together. So let's try those on and see. Yeah. On these pants, they're pretty old. I doubt there's anything similar at Target right now. It's kind of more springy, maybe not. I'm not sure. I'll try to find something similar, but let's pop those on. All right, so these are those pants on. Oh my gosh, so Scott just like scared off this person trying to steal one of our neighbors, they're like our across the way neighbors, packages. They're doing it like through the fence, like the Amazon packages. You can see them on camera like grabbing a stick and just pulling the packages out. And it's just like, oh my God. When we were in Amsterdam, someone actually stole our packages. Two of our packages, we didn't know what they were for a really long time, then we figured out they were from Scott's brother. Thankfully they weren't the like Christmas gifts that my dad had already like packaged up and sent for Arlo, because I was like, that would be horrible because not replaceable, you know what I mean? But like, just, I don't know, so mean. Because it's like, how do you want to even order things anymore because you're afraid everything's just gonna get stolen? It's so annoying. And it happened, oh, also one of my like workout packages that was like well over $100 stolen. And I'm just like, and I reached out to them and they were like, here's the picture that it was delivered. And the bad part about it is, well, first from the gate, our gate is coded and everything, but from the gate you could see the one package that was just like thrown in my yard. But the big packages that were stolen from our doorstep were like not visible from the yard. So it must have been somebody in here when they were delivering a package then decided to steal ours because they were out for a while. So rude. Curious if like you continue to get packages stolen from you. Do you even order things to your door anymore? How do you deal with that? I feel so bad for them. I'm not gonna lie, at this given moment, this is giving wild thornberries, and I don't think I'm headed in the right direction to make it look any different. But we're gonna stick with the mission of the goal and see how it turns out. It's giving safari. Yeah, oh my God, no, this is tragic. Okay, I really had high hopes for this, and now it's literally giving safari fighter. Safari leda. Where was my brain okay last night? Well, I was thinking like I'm gonna do this. Let's just continue with the whole outfit that I thought, and then we'll see how terrible and tragic it becomes. Okay. Well, I mean, it's at least did a little something different, but not really actually. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's like a little less safari. It's still very safari though. No, that doesn't work. I think undoing it is better actually. It's still still giving really bad safari, is it not? I think so. Let's change out these shoes for something different so that we can complete the outfit, but I'm gonna put a pin in those boots. I love the boots. I'm just like, struggling with what the heck to wear them with. Oh my god, that was gorilla. Gorilla moves. These look better. Much better. Yeah. These are cute. Okay, that's better. Put on my glasses. Am I trying to make these happen when they shouldn't happen? Probably. Y'all will let me know. I know you will. I'll be like, girl. I think it's cute. It's kind of trendy, kind of different. So for look number 3, we're going with my white jeans again today, you guys. I'm obsessed with white jeans this winter. It's kind of insane. But we're gonna pair it with a very like cozy wintry sweater. I think it's gonna be really cute. So I have high hopes for this outfit. Let's just say that. This actually looks kind of cute together. A little. Maybe it's a stretch. Let's put on our barrel white jeans. This could definitely use an iron or a steam. Do you know why I think I like barrel jeans so much? It's because they're kind of like a wide leg, but they have like shape to them. Because they kind of taper in still, and that's why I think I like them so much. They give me the look of wide leg without feeling like dumpy. If that makes sense. Oh, this is so soft. Okay, I was thinking of pairing these little loafers, going with a very classy type look. I wonder if when barrel jeans are out, I can just have these like, this panel taken out and have the legs sewed back together. I'm crazy. Now, about to tie in the loafers. This is just such a cozy winter outfit. Am I gonna put my glasses on again? I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try. Listen, I think they're really cute, and I think it's one of those things that you just have to try to make work, you know? Not try to make work, but you just have to continue to see yourself in them to envision it, you know what I mean? You know how I can tell I'm like kind of unsure with glasses? I haven't showed Scott them, and I feel like Scott's gonna be like, those are hideous. But you know what? That means they're good, right? Cute! This I wish I could stay on for the rest of the day, but I did plan one more outfit. So let's change into that, and then if I decide to, I can change back to this. And I know these are like open shoes, but you could always pair a sock with it. And it would look cute, like a colorful or like a brown sock would be really cute. Brown sock, whatever. To kind of like tie everything in would look good. But love this outfit. Let's move on to the last one, which is going to be finally styling my like chore jacket from Abercrombie that I got back in like end of summer. But it's been so insanely hot, so I wanted to wear it, and let's see if I can style it. I still know what I'm doing. So let's put on my little baggies 90s jeans from Target that are my favorite. These are just my favorite jeans. They're truly the jeans I can wear all day, every day. They're so comfortable because I feel like sweatpants. Okay, now let's put on a white tee. I figured we'd go simple underneath this little jacket. Okay, now I was thinking pairing my blue Spezials with this. Let me see. I love these sneakers so much. They're truly my all-time favorite, most comfortable sneakers. I own them in, what, 3 colors? 2 colors. 3 colors? 3 colors, yes, 3. Okay. Yee, this is so cute. Yes, this is so cute. Okay, and I was thinking a hat to tie in the blue. So good. So good, love this. To tell me. Why do I act like y'all aren't gonna tell me? I'll get comments like, girl, you try too hard. I'm just kidding. I think this is cute. This is just very like simple. Okay, this This is so cute. I love everything about this outfit. I'm so happy I have this jacket. And now I get to finally wear it because it's actually cold out. So that was the fourth and final look. And I think it turned out cute. And this is so lined and comfy inside too. This is a men's. I'll have it linked down below. It has the corduroy. Adorable. Okay. All right, that's going to wrap up my 4 winter outfits. As always, I'll let you know what your favorite one was down below. Yeah, I'm really excited to put together some really cute outfits. And this is what I'm going to stay in for the rest of the day to get my errands done. I gotta go to the mall and I have to return an Amazon package, return aloe workout set because girl, no, and then also return a pair of Scott's jeans. So that's the day. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one very, very soon. Bye.